children. Now today we are going to study the mnemonics by which you will understand D block elements. The mnemonics which are going to help you to learn the D block elements. So basically D block elements are, D block elements are these elements. These set of elements. It begins from period 4 and ends at period 7. Then from here you have from group 3 to group 12. There are basically 4 periods in D block elements. D block elements are found in the middle of the periodic table, that is, these are your S block and these are the P blocks. Because of this, they are known as the transition element. Now, more detail you'll be studying in class 12th. You have full one chapter of D block elements. Right now here in this video, we are going to study the mnemonics of the first 3 series of the D block elements. The first series starts with scandium and the mnemonics goes like this. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. As I have explained you in my previous videos that in order to learn these mnemonics, first of all you should be very much confident in your elemental names. Elemental names, you should know which element is represented by which symbol. Clear? So the first series goes Sachin Tendulkar, very crazy man, free coaching to Nitin's cousin. I repeat, Sachin Tendulkar, very crazy man, free coaching to Nitin's cousin. You can pause the video and write these mnemonics and then you can learn it. Now comes your second series. It starts with yttrium and ends at cadmium. And the mnemonics goes like this. You zara Nirbhay Modi. Nirbhay Modi, or you can learn it as Narendra Modi, but it is NB, so we can go with Nirbhay Modi. Okay. You zara Nirbhay Modi, thake na, ruke na, raha par, pahad par aage chade. You know we have a very dynamic Prime Minister in our country. So, you zara Nirbhay Modi, thake na, ruke na, raha par, pahad par aage chadhe. Is it clear? The second series is clear. Now let's move on to the third series, which is the second last series of D block element. Okay. In the third series, it starts from lanthanum to lutetium. So we'll start from La hafta warna Ramesh और इंदर पीटेंगे और हॉस्पिटल जाएंगे. I repeat, ला हफ्ता वरना रमेश और इंदर पीटेंगे और हॉस्पिटल जाएंगे. I hope this mnemonics of the first 3 series of the transition elements are clear with you. In next video, we'll learn about the lanthanide and actinide series. And like this, your whole periodic table will be completed. The main thing what you have to do, first of all, learn all the elements and their symbol representation. Then start making one by one, group by group, through mnemonics, your own periodic table. You'll be able to construct this whole periodic table within 2 minutes. But what is the main thing which you need to do is to learn the element representation and then further learn the mnemonics. Thank you and have a nice day.